If you're only uploading video once a month, that's not gonna cut it. Hey guys, so today I'm about to share with you some tips on how to get more views on your YouTube channel. My first tip is going to be find your niche. I know a lot of YouTubers who do videos about this talk about the same things, which is find your niche, and once you find that niche, you want to talk about that consistently on all your videos, because once you get your subscribers, they know exactly what they're walking into. So I agree with that to a certain extent. I do suggest that once you start your YouTube channel that you talk about multiple topics, not just one thing. So let me give you an example. On my channel, I talk about entrepreneur life, beauty, fitness, and vlogs. But I feel like everything that I talk about goes hand in hand with each other. So once I do get subscribers, I have so much content to produce because I'm talking about more than one thing, but you know, it goes hand in hand. So I do suggest that you guys do that too. Talk about more than just one little niche. So now that you have all your videos and you have different niches to talk about, you can create a playlist for each of those topics. So for instance, for your vlogs, your beauty, your fitness, you can have playlists for each of those. So once people do go to your video, they have a variety of videos, and also they can just continue to binge watch your videos with the playlist. So now that you have your playlist, you have all your videos. In each of your videos that you do upload, you want to put all your links in that description box. Don't flood it. I'm just saying, like, all your contact information, your social media, put links to your different videos so people still can have a chance to, you know, get to know you and get a feel of your other videos. So you also will want to pin a comment in your comment box so people would know which video to click on. You know, you just want to continue to promote, basically. That's what you're doing. Continue to promote to keep people wanting to see more of you. So we talked about finding your niche, putting in a comment, put all your information in the description box, and creating a playlist. So now let's talk about how often you should upload a video. Now, if you're only uploading video once a month, that's not going to cut it. You need to post at least 1 to 2 videos weekly. Like I said in the beginning, if you have a lot of different topics to talk about on your YouTube channel, this will give you more content to continue to upload videos weekly, because you need to put your name out there. YouTube is not going to help you if you're not helping yourself. When you do consistently start uploading videos, you do want to put that on your bio, description, everywhere, for people who will know when to come back to your channel. It can be like a TV show. So for instance, for me, I upload Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. So I will put that in my description box. I put it in my bio, anywhere and everywhere, so people will know when to come back to check it out. Inside your videos, you're going to want an intro, an outro, a call to action, also cards and annotations. So in your intro, you want to introduce yourself. You want to tell people what your video is going to be about. Also, you want to tell them to subscribe. Now, you don't want to flood them with overwhelming subscribe, but you do want to subliminally put them in there, you know, throw it in there so people will know that they should subscribe. You have to tell them what you want. Tell them what you want. If you want your viewers to subscribe, like, comment, make sure you tell them that, and continue to remind them, but not, so do it subliminally. Because if you do it too much, it seems like you're begging, and we don't want that. And your main focus is to get more viewers and people to continue to watch your videos. So now we're leading to my final tip, and I feel like this is the most important. So once you upload all these videos, you want to promote. What do I mean by promote? You want to promote on all your social medias that you have. My favorite social medias to use is Instagram and Facebook. So on Facebook, you can create a community. They have different groups you can join. You can create your own different YouTubers in the same position as you. You can upload your videos. They can check it out on Facebook. They can even check it out there. So that's more views, more traffic to your channel. Let's talk about Instagram. Instagram is one of my favorite social medias to use. I do want to do a separate video talking about how to promote on Instagram, because there's so many different ways, and I don't want to make this video too long. So I'm briefly going to talk about how Instagram can benefit you. So on Instagram, on your bio, you can put your link to your YouTube channel page, whatever you want. You can do that. You can post little previews to your channel, and I do that all the time. Every time I'm about to upload a video, I do a little preview to engage people. It's just so much Instagram can help you with, and like I said, I'm gonna work on a video on that to elaborate. So that is it for my tips on how to build your YouTube channel. And I do want to say, if you are implementing some of my tips, I do suggest that every week that you check on how much your views has increased. And it is discouraging when you haven't reached your threshold of 4,000 watch hours, but you have to see if your new things you adding or taking away isn't working. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my video. If you have not yet